also a cow.
So many. Holy moly. Wow. Hi, guys. Can you see them?
Hey, Mommy, what cow did there?
It's a different kind of cow. He has bigger horns.
Let's keep going.
Yeah, we're gonna keep going. Oh, look, he's looking at you, Milo.
Yeah.
That's Milo. We're going on a bear hunt.
There you go.
Yeah. Oh, the birdies.
Ducky.
Yeah, duckies. Oh, it's okay. Where's duckies? Oh, they're in the water.
Let's go over there and see more animals there.
Yeah, we're going.
Vinny, what do you see?
You can look all in my head.
Yeah? What's up here?
Up here.
Cool.
It's a wheel.
It's a real pirate ship? Is it a pop?
It's a wheel.
It's a, oh really?
Wheel up here.
There is? Oh, cool.
Yeah, and now look back down. Cause the door's down there.
Baby's, look, baby's coming too.
Welcome to my pirate ship.
Welcome to Milo's pirate ship.
Pirate ship.
Is baby a little slippery? Arr, matey.
Oh, yeah. Hold on, baby. Hold on.
Oh.
Up here.
Yeah, you made it.
Baby made it.
Here wheel. Yeah, and let's go back down.
Baby wants to be captain too.
Baby, who's captain?
Only me, Captain.
Baby's the first mate.
But only me, Captain. And come up here. That's Daddy. Remember, no rider will come. My captain.
You're captain.
Yeah, my captain is riding.
Can Finn be your helper?
Mommy, wait, Mommy. Me.
Are you pirate captain?
Yeah.
What's baby?
Yeah, and my thing is there, and those people come. Look in my.
Woo!
Oh, look, that's a big poop, huh? That's the
Yeah.
cow's poop.
Hi.
Cow doesn't need a diaper.
Miles, say cheese. Valentine.